Senator Cash.
Thank you, Mr President. And my question is to the Minister for Immigration and Citizenship, Senator Carr. And I refer to a report in the Daily Telegraph on the 5th of May 2011.
Just wait a minute, Senator Cash. I don't need...
Thank you.
Senator Conroy. Senator Cash, back to you.
I refer to a report in the Daily Telegraph on the 5th of May 2011 in relation to the homemade bomb found at the Villawood Detention Centre, which stated, Villawood staff said the fire and bomb was reported, but no action was taken because it was classed as a minor incident. If a fire resulting from a bomb is considered a minor incident generating no action, what does the minister consider to be a major incident that would require action?
Minister representing the Minister for Immigration and Citizenship, Senator Carr.
Thank you. Mr President, I thank Senator Cash for her question. Following a small fire on the 19th of March 2011, New South Wales Police took possession of what they have referred to as a bomb. Importantly, the department did act appropriately in calling the fire brigade in the first instance and then alerting the police, who are now investigating the incident. Whether the device was actually a bomb or not is a matter of the police investigation. The fire was discovered and extinguished by a Serco officer at 3:20 a.m. on Saturday the 19th of March 2011. Local emergency services were immediately called. The New South Wales Police attended at approximately...
Senator Cash.
Thank you, Mr President. I have a point of order in relation to relevance. Whilst I appreciate the minister's information in relation to what occurred at the detention centre, I'm not asking about that. I am asking what type of incident needs to occur for this government to actually consider it to be a major incident.
Senator Evans.
Mr President, on the point of order, it's clearly appropriate for Senator Carr, as a representing minister, to provide information from the brief he's got from the responsible minister. It's directly on the topic that Senator Cash addressed to him. She has two supplementaries to follow up if she wishes further information. But he has been directly on the topic, providing what information he has about the incident. And it's quite outrageous to suggest that he's not been relevant. And as I say, if there are other matters that are not covered in his primary answer, the Senate has the opportunity to take two supplementary questions. But Senator Carr has been as helpful as he can be by providing the information that is supplied to him.
There is no point of order. There's a minute and 6 seconds remaining to answer the question. The Minister.
President, I've been asked by Senator Cash in regard to an incident that occurred at the centre on the 19th of March 2011. I am providing information. She has sought to rely on a newspaper report of the allegations as to what's occurred on this occasion. I'm indicating to the Senate I have provided information to the Senate on the basis of the information that's been provided me by the Minister, and what I can indicate is that the New South Wales Police are making inquiries into the nature of the events that occurred, and that no person of interest at this point has been, in relation to the incident, has been identified at this stage. The department advised the Minister's office of the fire at the time, but not the discovery of the device, or that the police have taken it for examination as possible evidence. In terms of what the Senator seeks to assert is a matter of priority.
Time has expired. Senator Cash.
Thank you, Mr President. And I refer to the comments made by the Immigration Minister Chris Bowen on Sydney Commercial Radio on the 4th of May 2011 that he was not aware that a homemade bomb had been found at the Villawood Detention Centre 1 month before riots at the centre, which resulted in 9 buildings being gutted by fire. Why was the minister not aware of the homemade bomb, and what steps has the minister taken to ensure he remains fully informed on the vital issues within his portfolio?
Minister.
Thank you. Senator Cash, I have indicated to you that this is a matter of ongoing police inquiry as to whether or not there was actually a bomb, and that's a matter we'll wait upon the police to advise. The Minister has, in terms of the matters that occurred in relation to the radio interview, the Minister has already expressed his view that it was unacceptable that he was not informed of the discovery of the device. And he has made his concerns very clear to the department about the discovery of this homemade incendiary. The Minister has instructed the Secretary of the department to investigate why he was not informed and ensure that this does not happen in the future. And I'm not much more I can add to assist Senator Cash in that matter.
Senator Cash.
Thank you, Mr President. How does the government expect the Australian people to have any faith in their so-called border protection policies if the Minister wasn't even aware of a bomb in a detention centre until he was told by a talkback radio host?
The Minister.
What I have indicated, Mr President, is that whether or not this device was actually a bomb or something other than that is the subject of an ongoing police inquiry. The fire that was the subject of the incident itself was discovered and extinguished by a Serco office at 3:20 in the morning. The local emergency services were called immediately. The New South Wales Police attended at 4 a.m. and they took possession of what is now referred to as a bomb and returned later in daylight hours to take photographs. No person of interest has actually been identified, and at this stage, as a result of the police inquiry, the department did not advise the Minister at the time, and the department secretary has been instructed to find out why not.